Have you ever noticed how AI search feels smarter, like it already knows your next question? That's a design pattern called query fan out. You may have heard the term before, but query fan out is a core process behind how AI search and AI SEO actually work. When you type a question into something like Google AI mode, ChatGPT, Perplexity, the system doesn't just run one search. It breaks your query into dozens of related ones, it runs them all at once, and then builds a single complete answer from the results. Now, if you truly want to understand AI search, this is a concept you're going to want to wrap your head around. Whether you're building systems or trying to market something in today's world, this is important. So what is a query fan out? Simply put, is a process that takes one single question and just explodes it into many. So instead of a single simple lookup, the system shatters your request into a bunch of smaller pieces and then goes looking for all of them at the same time. This whole thing happens in two main phases. You can think of it like this. You send a whole team of researchers to different libraries all at once, and that's the scatter phase. You take all of their findings and compile them into one big comprehensive report. That's the gather phase. Simple, right? So when you type a question into an AI search, as you know, it doesn't just go out and find one web page. Behind the scenes, it's doing its own version of a query fan out. That simple search for best digital marketing agency just explodes. It turns into a whole bunch of more specific targeted questions. The AI then gathers up all the answers to these sub-queries and weaves them into a single comprehensive response. Now, different platforms have their own unique spin on how they do this. So Google, for example, is really focused on commercial intent. So it's going to pull shopping data and product info. ChatGPT, on the other hand, is more conversational. It tries to guess your follow-up questions. Then you've got Perplexity, which is kind of like the academic of the group, leaning on citable authoritative sources. Now, how on earth do you make sure your content actually shows up in these answers?